You've just embarked on a new project, but to ensure the continued success and knowledge dissemination potential, you and your work must have a web presence. Uniweb is the key to enhancing your web presence effortlessly, forging advanced relationships between you and the project. In the next 10 seconds, discover how you can boost your online presence with very minimal effort. Step 1. Click the Projects tab in your member profile. Step 2. Click the pencil icon. Step 3. Choose your new project and hit Save. By doing this, you're telling Uniweb, I am an integral part of this project. Maintain this relationship. How does it work? Well, I'm glad you asked. Imagine Uniweb as a dynamic network, intertwining profiles and their relationships. You and the project you connected both advertise this relationship on a separate section of the profile. Visitors can easily jump around different profiles, browse the Network Explorer, and consume any of the other content published by you or your colleagues. You want to maximize the number of eyes on your work, and connecting profiles is a way to make that happen, since you appear on each piece of content that is related to you. As a researcher, you embark on numerous projects, participate in various groups, host valuable resources, and perhaps even pen insightful articles. Each connection multiplies the benefits, propelling your web presence to its peak.